Hello, everyone. My name is Sophia. Today I will tell you about my morning routine. I will speak slowly and clearly. This lesson is perfect for beginners and A2 learners. Are you ready? Let's start. I usually wake up at 6:30. My alarm rings and I open my eyes. Sometimes I stay in bed for 5 more minutes. Then I get up and stretch my body. It feels good. Next, I go to the bathroom. I brush my teeth with mint toothpaste. I wash my face with warm water and put on some moisturizer. Then I go to the kitchen. I make my breakfast. I usually eat yogurt with cereal and fresh fruit, like banana or apple. I drink a glass of orange juice or sometimes coffee with milk. Breakfast makes me happy and gives me energy. After breakfast, I choose my clothes. Today I wear black pants and a nice blue blouse. If it is rainy or cold, I add a jacket. I brush my hair and put on a little makeup. Just lipstick and mascara. I check my bag. I put my phone, notebook, keys, and wallet inside. And I took the water bottle too. Finally, I put on my comfortable shoes. I leave the house at 7:45. I walk to the metro station. The air is cool and nice in the morning. I see many people walking briskly. The city is beginning to wake up too. That's my morning routine. It's simple, but I like it. What about your morning?